Uy, ako naman, direct yun. Ang saya mag-host. Kung ganito na lang, pwede na ako mag-host everyday. So guys, may mga tanong pa kayo. Wait, before that, papatingin muna natin.
Nag-streaming lang po.
Si Direk at saka si Alden. May bakas, Direk, may bakas.
Sensya na hindi ko makaibig ko. Tinawag mo ako. Okay, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello fellow vloggers. Okay, maraming salamat at pinakunlakan ninyo ang aming invitasyon na maging bahagi itong ating munting press conference ngayon para sa pelikulang hinanda namin sa inyo bilang pinakamalaking aginaldo namin sa darating na Pasko. Ang mga Bebela #3. Thank you. Conversion.
Yes po, hello, good afternoon po. Thank you all for coming today. And
Palakpak ka more, guys!
yun po, magtanong na tayo.
Yun nga, no?
Sige, pwede
Sige, magtanong na kayo para mas masaya.
Don't be shy. Ayan, Macy.
Huwag ka naman yung Macy, production number. Okay.
Hello, Alden.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi ko makantay ng sarili ko. Well, anyway, I'm Macy for Lionheart TV.
Hello po.
Ang question ko ay, meron ba kayong kilig ka more moments during the shooting ng My Baby Love?
On or off ka?
On and off na.
Well, marami naman po, I mean, sa movie itself, marami po talagang kilig scenes. Kahit ako po mismo, tuwa po ako dun sa writer nung pelikula kasi ang galing po ng lines, ng batuhan ng lines at the same time. Saka kami naman po ni May, pag nagtatrabaho po kami sa My Baby Love, yan nakikita po kami ni Direk, palabiro po kami parehas. So we make every shoot dates live through that po.
Any new discoveries sa isa't isa?
Well, makulit. Parehas po kami makulit. Yung kulit level namin nagja-jive, which makes us more comfortable to work with each other. At saka, parehas po kaming serious sa trabaho. So, yun po.
Thank you.
Okay, next question.
Good afternoon for Direk. So, kailan po kayo ng Metro Manila Film Fest? Ano po yung kakaibang may offer nyo sa My Bebe Lab na wala pa sa ibang film fest entries nyo?
Sa iba ko bang Film Fest entries, sa dami-dami ng Film Fest entries ko, ganon. Okay, kung maalala ninyo, ang kauna-unahang pelikula kong ginawa na I gained recognition was in an entry na Metro Manila Film Fest. This is years ago, 1993. This is May Minamahal, okay, with Aga and Aiko. I would like to think that is one of the first rom-coms, okay, na ginawa sa Pinas, okay? So many years later, so bali what, 22 years later, am I right? I'm doing something like this, which is, sinasabi ko, it's that the hand of God came in. Because what eventually happened in this movie was not something we planned before on the offset. Everything just fell in place. Okay, what makes it different? Well, a lot. Number one is we are packaging a completely different Vic Soto. Okay, this is not an enteng Vic Soto. This is a sophisticated, handsome, gentleman, rich, tasteful Vic Soto who he really is. Okay? Secondly, this is the chance for Ai to reclaim the throne that people say was taken away from her as the comedy queen. Okay? And thirdly, they're not just a love team, they're a phenomenon. They're a social phenomenon. And, okay, magprangkahan na tayo. Wala akong inaasam na nomination sa Urian. Okay? Wala akong inaasam na halikan ako ng mga critics. Ang inaasam ko lang ay paligayahin ng napakaraming tao sa darating. Na hindi iniinsulto ang kanilang katalinuhan.
#hugot. Oh, next question, friends. Ayan.
Omar, President.
Pakilala ka.
Omar, at Alden Vloggers.
O, diba? May nagkaroon special vloggers for a specific person. Bongga.
Pwede ba i-connect dun sa episode kanina?
Kasi nanood ako. So, may joke ba kayo dito? May batuhan ba kayo ng joke with Maine and Alden? Meron. Pwedeng sample. Ay,
Surprise po, nasa movie. Nasa movie po yung surprise jokes namin, pero iba po yun. It's a different joke, different set of jokes for to the ones we use on air.
Tapos, another question. Since, di ba, parang nagbibigay na kayo ng yung parang mga hints na mas deeper na nagkakakilala na kayo ni Maine, ano pa yung sa tingin nyo na pwede niyong ma-reveal sa isa't isa?
Well, kasi kami po ni May, whatever we have now, we're enjoying the most out of it. Kumbaga, there's no pressure, there's no, parang walang, on our side, hindi kami, whatever we have now, as friends, we enjoy. And that's why we're very happy to work with each other. So, siguro yung reveal na yun, aside from the fact na aabangan siya ng marami, hinihintay pa rin namin siya. So, that's what we look forward to every day.
Ito, serious. Ito ba naman sir? May chance ba talagang ligawan mo si Maine sa totoong buhay?
Of course.
Kailan kaya?
Secret.
Pressure?
Pressure.
Nakita na lang yun.
Kasi she's single, I'm single, so the possibilities are, very open.
So, magiging open din kaya ito on cam.
We'll see.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yan, Nicole, yes.
Hi, Alden.
Hi.
Coming from this question, alam mo naman maraming nag-admire ngayon kay Maine. Would you allow someone to court her just in case hindi pa kayo? Madami na nag-admire sa kanya. Babakuhan mo na ba siya agad? Or would you allow na parang meron kang maging mga katunggali?
Well, kasi this is a free country naman. And, diba, parang it's up to her to decide. I have no right to parang restrain her from what she wants to do. Pero as of now, parang huwag na lang muna. Yung mga dyan, huwag na muna kayo. Relax lang kayo.
Pwede sumabat ni Gold.
Yes po.
Hindi ba mas masaya kung may challenge? Hindi ba?
Brian, then, ito.
You should worry kapag nililigaw ang babae ito hindi pinapansin ng iba. Hindi ba?
Exactly.
Oh, yun.
Well, I'm up for that challenge.
Sino kaya magcha-challenge?
Yun ang tanong.
Sino ang worthy mag-challenge kay...
Si Frankie.
Hindi kaya ba natatakot na just in case may maging challenger ka nga, mapunta siya sa iba?
Well, again, that boils down to it's up to her to decide kung what she'll do with her life. Of course, I'm just here to support her. But wala po sa akin yung decision.
But of course, hindi ka naman basta-basta bibigay lang.
Of course not.
Yes.
Sige, yung love story na yan, nakilig. Next question, yes, Ryan.
Yes, for direct. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Si Maine is just, it's just known in the industry. July na, tapos naging very...
Grabe, no?
Sensational. How was she in doing a movie?
Oh, great. Great. Remember, I was a fan of hers when she was just dub smashing. When, she was impersonating the Scream Queen, right? I really loved her. Tawa ko ng tawa sa mga YouTube niya. Tapos nga, all of a sudden, one thing fell in place after another. And then suddenly, she is going to be, the second lead. Sila na mga leads, no co-leads itong pelikula ito. Sabi ng iba, bakit walang workshop, chuba-chuba? Honestly, I don't believe in workshops.
She's a natural.
No, either you have it or you don't. Di ba? You take workshops to hone your talent. But if you have no talent, what will you hone? Di ba? And some people have been, doing workshops for 10 years. And there's, di ba? Di ba? So, she's a natural. Natural siya. Saka sabi ko, one big advantage of Maine is she's intelligent. Kapag matalino yung artista, alam niya yung ginagawa niya, hindi naman niya, ang artista naman, hindi naman di kuwertas yan na, hindi ba, iyak, tawa, hindi ba? That's not an artist, that's a puppet, hindi ba? But Maine is a really smart, intelligent girl. So, there's really no problem. Plus the fact that these two kids are really such a lot of fun. They're decent kids.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next question.
Nagkahiyaan na.
Oo, don't be shy.
Alan.
Ayan, Alan.
Direct. Hello, Direct. Will you describe Alden and Maine off-screen and on-screen? How do you describe them?
On screen, I think the chemistry is self-explanatory. Di ba nga, when we analyze it even in my classes, what was the Aldab phenomenon all about? It's spontaneous combustion. Okay? Bakit spontaneous combustion? This is something totally unplanned and it happened. And that's the basic appeal to the audience. Kasi alam mo, ang talanta, maraming love teams are products of marketing. Okay, because a great number of love teams are products. Di ba? It's all a matter of networks and studios marketing them. But in this case, it's not. Okay? There are two people with real chemistry together. Okay? This is like, you know, Vilma Boyet noon, hindi ba na, you put them together and you know, Don, Richard, hindi ba? It's chemistry, which is not done by workshops. Okay? But it just happens. Okay? Secondly is that off-screen, they're kids. They're really natural kids. I'll share something with you, which is why I really admire this gentleman beside me. I wrote a blog before, in my blog, Choking on My Adobo. Okay, when they were suddenly the front pages of all the dailies one Sunday. Okay, I said this is not something that happens na the three main dailies have something on mainstream entertainment on the front page on a Sunday, di ba? So sabi ko, this must be something. And I wrote it, and that's my biggest hit blog ever, okay? You know, this guy looked for my number and thanked me. Okay? That matters a lot. Because how many people will really go out of their way to thank you? Whereas some people feel that when they reach a certain level of popularity, the world owes them a favor. Okay? When I met Maine, she's a girl. And that is what makes her so appealing. She is reachable. She is identifiable. Okay? She is not all glammed up to be special. She is special because she is herself. And that is what Maine's appeal is about. Put them together, they're so fun. Ang kukulit itong dalawang hinayupak na to. Okay? Ang kukulit naman. Nagsusuki kami sa Alabang Town na akala ko hindi kami dudumugin. Nagkagulo ang buong Alabang Town Center. Mga matronas ni Alabang going crazy. Oh my God! And then Maine decides to go to Starbucks. So sabi ko, you're insane. But she's doing that because she's enjoying it. And that's not showbiz. That's being a person. And that's her appeal. Okay, I hope I answered your question.
Do you control, dito sa kahit saan sila magpunta, dinudumog sila? Hindi ba kayo nahihirapan sa shooting?
Alam mo, yun ang malaking kasasalamat ko, tapos na ang shooting. Sabi ko nga doon somebody was interviewing me earlier, sa tanang buhay ko, yung mga pamangkin ko never went to watch my shooting. Ngayon, they're going to my shootings. You know, with their office mates. All of a sudden, naging popular ako sa neighborhood ko. Lahat yung mga nagsushooting kami ng Alaba. Sabi ko, maligtik itong mga kapitbahay ko. Hindi ako pinapansin dati. Ngayon, may mga bote ko ng pate. Kasi gusto ng premiere night ticket. Yun lang naman yun, di ba? But you know, no, really. I mean, that can appeal. That's part of the phenomenon. That's part of the phenomenon.
This is a comedy, direct, diba? May paiyakin niyo ba si Alan dito and Maze in the movie? May ganun bang factor?
May kurot sa puso rito. No? Pero because it's a rom-com and in a certain way it follows certain templates of the rom-com, may touching moments dito, especially about the relationship of the aunt and the nephew and then the daughter and the father. They're kurot man, but no heavy drama. So it's
Kaya din, short kung magpatikim dun sa mga vlogger, kung ano yung aabangan nila dito kay Alden, being your character.
Yes, actually, as Alden, yung nakikita nila sa Kalye series, this is a different type of genre kasi this time we're acting the part. So, si Dondi yung nephew ni Miss Ai na medyo geek na staying indoors and managing the family business is all in his mind until he met this girl, Anna, which is played by me. So doon nabago lahat. And marami nagsasabi po sa amin na parang everyday na kami nakikita, araw-araw na kami nasa kalye sila from Mondays to Saturdays. What can they expect more? They will see the actor side of both of us. The acting side of May, the actress side of her. So that's what they have to look forward to in this movie.
Tapos Alden, inabangan yung pagkikita nyo dun sa Kalye Serie. Ang inaabangan naman yung kiss nyo. Dito ba makikita na ba dito sa...
Ay, nako!
Secret!
Secret! Ito yung isa sa mga sinot namin ng last day na talaga namang sabi talaga, no one will take pictures!
Kasi talagang bawal mag-video and all that.
Yes.
In-edit ko kanina, yung buong editing room nagtitilian ng mga tao.
Yun na po. That's it.
That's all.
Ano na, last na lang to Alden. Pwede mong describe yung relationship niya ni May off-screen.
We're very close. I mean, nakakatawa like yesterday since hindi ako nakadating sa Walk of Fame ceremony. Sinabi ko kasi sa kanya sa shoot, kailangan ko kasi magpa-check up tomorrow for recovery at the same time. Baka pwedeng saluhin mo na lang yung award ko. Tapos kinuha niya yung award for me. Then napakadaling kausap walang arte. Like what Direk told you guys. She's a girl. And that's it. A very raw, selfless, simple girl na madaling abutin.
Last na lang talaga. Talaga sinulit ko hawak yun.
Hindi ko na rito, sumako na.
Buka na yan.
What's something special about May ngayon na magkasama kayo ng movie? Kumbaga sa Facebook, ano yung status niyo ngayon?
Getting to know each other, friend. We're at that point still. Kasi it has been, what, a month after Tamang Panahon and we only see each other through Kalye Serie. And after Kalye Serie, we really don't get a chance to talk naman talaga after that. Tapos nakikita lang kami sa shoots, sometimes commercial shoots. So, there's a lot to know pa from both of us.
Thank you.
Thanks, Alan.
Thank you, Alan. John, you have a question? Sorry, pakita.
Hello,
Hi, good John.
Alvin.
Hi.
Kamusta?
Kayo naman.
And also Direct Jermaine. Good afternoon po. I can attest to what you said earlier about the greatness of Alvin. I had like a short story. Sorry. I had like a small thing because my cousins actually requested Alden to greet them on video, and I was kind of mobbed by a lot of people during the last event of Cup and Text. Alden actually came back just to do that for me. So, ganun ka-bigdingan si Alden. Tsaka ganyan na siya magmula nang in-interview ko siya sa GMA.
Good karma nga sa kanya to I've never known an actor na during the breaks would go out and talk to the fans. Diba? Because he gives premium to people who appreciate him and put him where he is. And some stars, they feel, entitled.
Yes.
But not him. And that's why I think what we are experiencing, especially for this guy, is really a lot of good karma. That, God is fair.
And with that, Alden, since good karma ang natin, ang ating topic, what are you gonna ask for this Christmas? Meron pa bang wala si Alden Richards?
Well, whatever I'm experiencing right now is more than what I wished for before. And parang wala na po I feel so blessed. I feel so appreciated by a lot of people. I couldn't ask anything more. It's just guidance na lang from the Lord. That's the only. I have no wish for any material things kasi even though I don't ask for it, it comes So I'm just praying to the Lord that He guides me, that the people around me, the right path, and whatever He has been giving me and a lot of people around me so far, sana sustain lang, sana tuloy-tuloy lang siya, and whatever, I'm always praying to the Lord that, Lord, wherever you put me, you put me in that position because there's a purpose that I'm in this position. Use me to draw people closer to you. So parang nothing to wish more, sir, kasi everything is already being given.
Right. How about Maine? What would you actually wish for her?
Well, good health. At the same time, kasi sometimes medyo since she's new, yung hindi siya sanay sa yung body clock ng mga artista na gising sa gabi, tulog sa umaga, and then segue sa mga schedules. And what my wish for her is for her to stay as she is, never change.
Has she been the same Maine Mendoza that you met when you began?
Yeah.
Actually.
So far, ganun pa rin. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Whenever we see each other, we always goof around, joke around. So, yun yung parang isa sa mga traits niya na nagustuhan ko.
And ako na rin ang mag-wish para sa'yo, Alden, na gumaling ka na.
Magaling na, recovery. Marami namang gamot.
Thank you very much.
John.
Thank you, John. Next question, please. Yes. FTJ.
Ay. Question ko lang po for Direk. Kasi since prior to MMFF and also Aldab, kasi nga, di ba, there's already a story for this one, but without Aldab. Is that correct?
That's true.
And so, how's the development of the characters? Yun nga, nung na-introduce na yung Aldab, and is it madugo ba? O sa tingin nyo, madali na dahil it's also a love story?
Hindi, mahirap. Ang kwento nito kasi, when they offered me this project, I really had no plans of doing any MMFF because I and my family had plans for Christmas. Okay? So, it's nakakapagod to do this because it goes across your holidays. So, wala akong plano. But you know, how can you say no to Boss Orly? I cannot say no to Orly Ilacad because when I was down, he's the only one who trusted me. Okay? So, he's like my second father, okay, in the industry. So, yon. So, originally, Alden was there, okay, but then there was another pair to be the secondary cast. Alden was a support, okay. Then, I was watching the teleserye and I was feeling around them, so I was telling them, Boss, pasok natin si Maine. Okay, but there were other commitments na, so sabi, pasok natin sa, sige, pasok natin si Maine. Maine's role was a minor role, okay, because she was untested. Then, sumabog na ang Aldab. I was telling them, pasok na ang Aldab. But then, there are already a lot of commitments, okay, to other people. Would you believe by, yung sabi ko, it's God's hand eh. Nag-collapse yung mga negotiations dun sa iba. Parang sabi ni Lord, no. Kailangan Aldab yan. So, may rule, I think there is a rule in Metro Manila Film Fest that what you submit as an original story, you cannot change, alter drastically. You have to stick by that story. So we had to manipulate it around. Okay, we had to manipulate it around. But it worked. It worked. You know, things just fell. Kaya nga sabi ko, it's not us. It's like somebody was telling us what to do. Okay, but you know, it was a happy incident. Ganon.
Okay. Kay Alden naman, kasi from Sunday to Sunday, lagi
Sunday ulit.
Parang
Ang pangalan niya si Kuracha.
Kasi at least si May nakapahinga pa sa linggo. Ikaw, kahit linggo meron ka ding show. So how drastically, ano yung malaking change sa pagtulog mo?
Yeah, okay.
Pagpahinga. Kasi parang hindi ka na yata natutulog eh.
Hindi naman. Grabe ka naman, sir. Well, I've asked for this eh. Parang before this started, I've been praying for jobs. Well, actually, before Eat Bulaga, before Aldab, after a few teleseries from GMA, parang I've been praying as well, there's gonna be quite a few projects that I could work on that, well, can sustain me as an actor, of course,